Morning, folks. So we have another job we're looking at. Got a customer with a 2011 Dodge Ram 2500 with the clicking noise or some kind of noise while driving, mostly under like light acceleration and stuff like that. So what we're getting ready to do is we're suspecting that there's maybe something wrong with the transfer case. So we're going to go ahead and drain some of the fluid out of it and just try and get a fluid sample, see if there's any chunks of metal, and we're going to go from there. Alright, so what we're going to have to do is the drain plug is right here. It's usually on the bottom. Then you got your fill plug, which is right up here. So we're going to go ahead and drain right here. This one right here should be an Allen. So you get an Allen socket, you take the screw out, and then you can drain the fluid out. Alright, let's go ahead and get this. Oh no. There's no fluid in the transfer case. Oh, she's toast. She is toast. Oh man, well, we're gonna say that's a Diag because there ain't nothing in it. There's nothing in it, not a single drop of fluid. So we're gonna have to get the customer an estimate on a transfer case. I think they can be rebuilt, but I mean, being that this thing has been running around with no fluid, that's not something I'm really interested in doing. So we're going to probably price out the transfer case, but we're going to fill it up with fluid. We're going to go drive it around, see if that helps it for the time being. It would definitely help having some fluid in there for sure. So when we come back, if I end up doing the transfer case, I'll do a video whenever I am putting that new component in. So we'll talk to you then.